The color thief. They said auras couldn't lie, that your colors revealed the truth your mouth would never speak. But when mine vanished without warning, when I looked in the mirror and saw nothing but gray, I knew something had gone terribly wrong. At first I thought it was my eyes. I blinked, rubbed them, looked again, nothing. No blue softening at my temples, no violet dancing above my crown. Just a thin, dull mist curling around my shoulders like cigarette smoke in winter air. My colors, once radiant and pulsing with calm empathy and intuition, had gone silent. Dimmed or worse, been taken. It wasn't just a bad day. I knew myself, had spent years studying energy and light with my grandmother, who could read a person's soul just by the hue of their presence. She told me once that colors could fade when your spirit wavers but never disappear, not unless something unnatural intervenes. So I waited, meditated, smudged, slept under amethyst and moonlight still gray. On the third day, something strange happened. I wandered into a quiet cafe on the edge of the city, Tea and Tincture, a place I loved for its lavender steam and mismatched chairs. My usual spot by the window was taken. A man sat there, draped in black, stirring tea with a silver spoon shaped like a crescent moon. I was going to walk past him, but he looked up and said, "You can't see your aura anymore, can you?" My heart stopped. "What did you say?" He didn't smile, just tilted his head, studying me the way a seer might study smoke. "I can tell you look hollow, like you've been emptied." I didn't answer, couldn't. "I used to have colors too," he said softly. "Before they took them, that's how I met Alec. A man with no aura and a past stitched together with shadow. He told me about the color market, a secret underworld where stolen energy was bought and sold, where auras were bottled like perfume and traded like gold, where light had a price and yours could be stolen without you ever feeling the knife. We went underground, not metaphorically, literally. Beneath the city, beneath the noise, there was a labyrinth of alleys pulsing with light. Not neon, not electricity, aura light, vials of it hanging from strings, jars glowing softly in merchants' hands. There was red, fiery, aggressive, potent. Green, soothing, pure, fragrant with healing. Yellow, orange, indigo, even rare flashes of white and shifting rainbow tones. Souls in bottles, energy caged. And then I saw mine. Blue and violet, unmistakable. Floating inside a tear-shaped crystal vial behind a curtain of obsidian beads. A familiar ache bloomed in my chest. It was like looking at a photo of yourself you didn't know someone had taken. Raw and real and deeply you. But I couldn't just take it. I had to earn it back. Alec warned me. It's never just about stealing it back. The thief is part of you now. To reclaim your aura, you'll have to face what gave it away. And so I did. They call it the Wraith of Reflection, a creature that lives between thought and memory. It takes your fears, your regrets, your hidden grief, and turns them into mirrors. You don't fight it with fists. You fight it with truth. It showed me things I didn't want to see. The envy I buried, the kindness I faked, the love I never confessed. The parts of me I denied in order to keep my aura looking bright, even when it was dimming inside. And when I finally admitted them, all of them, the mirrors shattered. Light poured in. Not just blue and violet anymore, but green, gold, and deep fiery red. I hadn't just reclaimed my aura. I'd evolved it. Each color was a piece of the pain I had faced, transmuted into something real. I left the market different. Now when people ask what I see in their aura, I tell them this. You are more than your brightest color. You are all the shades you've ever hidden, and the moment you face them, you begin to glow. Some nights I still check the mirror just to be sure. And every time the colors are there, flickering, dancing, alive. And I am no longer afraid of the gray, because now I know it's where light is born. You are amazing people. I just wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. You know, every time you hit that like button, leave a comment, or decide to join our growing family by subscribing, it absolutely makes my day. This journey wouldn't be the same without you all, and I'm genuinely touched by your continuous support. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or just found this channel, your presence here means the world to me. Thank you for being part of this incredible community. Let's keep growing, learning, and sharing together. You guys are truly the best.